Hello everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are on a beautiful piece of property in Fredonia, New York. And if you follow our channel, you may have seen this home on its install day being craned onto its 8-foot superior wall basement. So if you go back just a few videos in our channel, you will see the actual install of this home with the crane here and everybody working. And that day I actually did a walkthrough of the home on the day of delivery, so you can see what the homes look like when they actually show up before anything else has been done to them. So in that video I show you the basement beforehand, I show you the inside of the home itself, and now today we are going to be showing you the finished product. Only about a month to 5 weeks later, approximately, this home is complete and just about ready for the home buyer to move into. And this is a really cool floor plan with an integrated back covered porch, and so I'm going to finish the walk around of this on the outside, and then we'll get you inside the home. This home is approximately 1,700 square feet and is 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, but so much more than just that to offer. And you can see the air conditioning installed here, and so it is nice and cool inside the home. I'm thankful for that. And this is a pretty big house. Like I said, 1,700 square feet on the main floor, and has the full 8-foot superior wall basement underneath the home. And there's a lot more to it. You know, it has its own dedicated dining room and the really cool integrated porch option and a lot of other stuff. So let's get you in here. We're going to check out everything from the home to the basement. So here we are, and the main entryway is going to come into the living room and dining room area. And although you could probably still call this an open floor plan, it is kind of the perfect in between, because you do have that little bit of separation between the kitchen and the living room and dining area. And I will put a link to this floor plan in the description of the video so that you can look at the sizes of these rooms, because I can tell looking at my camera just now, I say this in every video, that the video does not do the size justice of these rooms. This living area and dining area are very good size. That is a very good size living room, and it doesn't appear to look like it through my video right now. So this kitchen is also huge, and there's something hiding in here. And if you didn't catch the install day video, it was a 2-part video, then you're going to find out right now what is hiding in this kitchen. And off to our left is the primary suite, and I will be walking you through there first. And then we'll go through the utility room and the secondary bedrooms and bath, and then down into the basement. So in these homes, full appliance package comes all set to go, which is why that video of the install day is so valuable to watch, because you can see exactly how these homes show up. So this looks like a pantry cabinet, but really, if we go ahead and open it up, it is an actual hidden walk-in pantry. With a ton of space. and they soft close back to their original state. So that is a really cool feature. And then not to mention all this other cabinetry over here. It's like a breakfast nook or whatever you'd want to use it for. And then further down the hallway, we have a full-size desk and office area with storage up top as well. So this is just super cool. I was extremely excited to show everybody this floor plan. So let me show you the utility room, and then we'll come back out. We'll go through the primary suite, and then I gotta show you that back porch. We'll walk out through there. But this is just a look from the kitchen. Towards the living room and dining room. And keep in mind, this is a huge home. So you can imagine the actual square footage of that living area. This home is 68 feet long by 28 feet wide, approximately 1,700 square feet on the main floor. So nice big utility room here. And here's that side door that you saw as I walked around outside. And the modular homes are all going to come with the 200 amp electrical panels. So plenty of power to go around in these homes. And of course, always nice to have the utility sink and extra storage, and the transom window gives a nice touch for lighting. And so here is the full washer dryer setup, all good to go. And this is a self-contained home. So here you have your furnace, and the AC that you saw outside is very easy for Owl Homes to install with your home, and is much more affordable than doing it after the fact and not having a self-contained home. And I'll explain a little more about that. When you order the home from the factory with its furnace and hot water tank and everything installed already, it is AC compatible. So very easy to install that on site, and can be a huge cost savings than having a contractor install your furnace and hot water tank in the basement once the home arrives. But at the end of the day, it is all preference. And here we are, matching the exterior, the black door. And this is a really big porch, a lot of room out here. And all black vinyl with the gray composite decking, just really, really sharp out here. And just a beautiful piece of property. So now stepping over into the primary suite. Once again, you have to look at the floor plan and see the actual dimensions of this room, but it's definitely a large room. And of course, how can you skip out on the 4x6 tiled rainfall shower head, walk-in shower? Just a thing of beauty that they put into these homes. And show you from a little further back here. And so that is 6 feet wide and is very large in this bathroom. But behind me, we have plenty more space, double lav sinks, another closet in here, and then separating the toilet in its own room, which is very nice and convenient. So big walk-in closet over here. A lot of extra space. And I always like to try to point out these kind of things. Actually, just am noticing this super deep floor to almost ceiling cabinet storage in this bathroom. So this is a lot of additional space here, and the video does not do how deep those are justice at all. And that reminds me to show you something in the kitchen in here as well. And I know that there's so much other space, so it's kind of like, why bother? But at the same time, I want to show this. This is a floor to ceiling cabinet. And you can see how far out the fridge is from the wall in there. I mean, that is how deep these cabinets are floor to ceiling. So there is just an immense amount of space and storage inside these kitchens. And I'm not sure if I pointed out, but this massive island in here, of course, has all the storage in the world under it as well. So just a beautiful kitchen that this home buyer ordered inside their home. So working our way to the other side of the home, and keep in mind as well, you have a beautiful window wall here. And I know I opened the video up with this view right here, but this is just stunning. You know, you have company over, you're hanging out inside here. I mean, you have the beautiful view out back, triple window, just an extremely unique floor plan. And so we'll keep it moving back into the other side of the home. And so first off, we have the secondary bathroom, transom window up top for some natural lighting, and everything matching the rest of the home in here. So this is going to be the standard tub shower combo in here. So the home is equipped with a tub as well. And we'll call this one bedroom 2. So this is another spacious room. And what's awesome about these secondary bedrooms in this house, with it having the space that it does, is they both have walk-in closets. This one in particular is a large walk-in closet. So really cool, and plenty of space and storage for the secondary bedrooms in this home. So now we get back into this hallway going into bedroom 3, and that is going to be your basement door. And I'm excited to get you down in there and explain a little bit more about this. So this will be a slightly smaller bedroom, but still has a walk-in closet. And last but not least, let's get down into this basement and I'll explain the egress situation with the Bilco doors as well. And keep in mind, when you build a home with Homes of Fredonia, and let's say you come into our campus to view the homes and get some pricing, something that you'll get quoted on, of course, if you want it, is a full basement package. Now, when you get quoted a full basement package from Homes of Fredonia, it is an all-inclusive turnkey basement package. So when this home gets delivered, this is just a cavity. There is no drywall or stairs or handrail or lighting at the top and bottom. So this is all included in your basement packages, in your turnkey pricing, when getting pricing from Homes of Fredonia. And I'm going to make a left once I get down here, because I want you to see it looks like just a small little room here. This is a really nice setup, how they had the stairwell come down the end of the home here. Now, as you can see, it obviously opens up into a massive basement on this side. But what I want to show you first is, in New York State, you have to have an egress in your basement. So you have to have a way out of it. So there's the Bilco doors that you saw in the beginning of the video in the walk around outside. So this is going to make it really, really easy if you ever want to finish this basement down here, to be able to bring materials into the home and finish the basement. Now, being superior wall basement, these walls are ready to finish, and this is a ready to finish basement. So that's why so many people are choosing this option amongst the warranty that comes with these walls. It is one of the only basement wall systems that you can purchase that comes with I believe it is a 30-year guarantee, no leak. And anybody pouring typical concrete is not going to have a warranty like that. So it's part of the reason why so many people are going with this. They are pre-studded and pre-insulated. So these walls are already insulated, and here are your studs, and they are ready to pound drywall into. You also have the cavities here, the holes, whatever, the channels, whatever you want to call them, for wiring to run through to install additional outlets or whatever you would like down here. Now, everything you're seeing, as I talked about with Al Homes of Fredonia, is already a turnkey package. So your basement's going to come with the sump pump, the electrical outlets, the lighting, the windows, the sill plate on the top of the wall, the digging of the hole to install the walls into, the concrete floor. So there's a lot to think about when you're doing a full turnkey basement, and Al Homes includes all of that in the package for you already. Now, piecing together a job like that yourself can be very difficult and actually end up costing you a lot more money. So we always encourage to get pricing on the full basement package with the home, and we've never had somebody be disappointed about it in the end. So definitely something to talk to your representative at Al Homes of Fredonia about. Now, once again, you have to have an egress, and a lot of people would just go with the egress window, which is just a body size window with a ladder that you can climb up out of it in like a little well on the outside of the home. Now, that's fine, but it doesn't cost much extra to go up to that Bilco door system with the concrete steps coming down, and definitely worth it if this is going to be your long time forever home and you're going to consider actually possibly finishing any portion of the basement down here. Now, the last thing I'll talk about down here is earlier we touched on the furnaces and hot water tanks. And a very common question that we get is, why is the furnace and hot water tank not in the basement? Well, once again, you can have your home come with an in-home package. So the ductwork that you're seeing down here came installed from the factory and complete already in this home with the furnace and hot water tank installed on the main floor. That is extremely convenient, once again, and a massive cost savings, a fraction of the cost of what it is going to cost you to have a contractor come in, or just have Al Homes, because obviously Al Homes of Fredonia is going to offer you to do on-site HVAC as well. I mean, we can install a furnace and hot water tank and anything you need down in your basement if this is where you prefer it. But we just like people to know it is multiples more expensive to do that than to just let the factory build it into your home. So that is the entire home. Once again, this is approximately 1,700 square feet on the main floor, which means that you have at least an additional, let's say, 1,500 square feet of space down in this basement. So this is a huge open basement, and as you can see, that wall over there protrudes out into the basement because of that integrated covered porch into the floor plan. So if you want any information on this home or any other homes, get a hold of Al Homes at any time. Our reps make it extremely easy to get information, and it shouldn't be a difficult process or a stressful or intimidating process for you to be able to get information about these homes. The questions that matter the most to you. What is the timeline? What is the price? What's the down payment? What's my monthly payment going to look like? We have a financing department to help you with these things and to be able to answer all these questions that truly are simple for you. And you know what? First and foremost, Al Homes of Fredonia at 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York, has over $2 million in homes on display, just like this one, for you to walk through with your family, with your friends, and have a good experience and just check them out and see what suits you. Inside the office, we also have the home design room, which I like to call the home creation station, which is where if you ever were to move forward with a home, you'd actually be sitting down and designing it. And if you come in and check that out, you'll actually see that the design process, anybody can do it. You have these guidelines from the factory to work within that make picking colors, picking options, and picking materials much more streamlined than what you think it might be. So once again, as always, this is Nicholas with Al Homes of Fredonia. If you have any questions, feel free to call 716-673-1366. Speak to a representative. It only takes 5 minutes to get some really good information on this. And the worst thing you can do if you're wondering what this is all about is not get information on it. So thanks again, as always, for watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.